Welcome back. Let's start practicing Lambda functions by creating a simple anonymous function that calculates the cube of any given number. This exercise will reinforce the core Lambda syntax. 1. Defining the Lambda function. We assign our Lambda to a variable called cube. The structure is Lambda, followed by one argument, x, a colon, and the expression, which is x raised to the power of 3. Remember, the result of the expression is automatically returned. 2. Executing the Lambda. We can now execute the Lambda function by calling the variable name, cube, and passing in an argument. When we pass 5, it returns 125. When we pass 2, it returns 8. The syntax is clean and concise for this simple mathematical operation. 3. Comparison with standard function. Notice how much code the Lambda function saves compared to the traditional def function for the exact same logic. For simple, one-off operations, the Lambda function is the preferred, idiomatic Python approach. To summarize, we created a simple, single-argument Lambda. The Lambda keyword, followed by the argument and the expression, provides instant functionality without the boilerplate of a full function definition. Our next lecture 13:03. Lambda, even or odd. See you there.